What's going on, everybody? Eric here with another video. First, I'm going to apologize for doing this hackneyed doing a video while you're sitting in your car driving, because so many people do that. But there's something I want to talk about, and I didn't want to wait. I want to talk about it now while it's fresh in my mind. I want to talk about how many Lyft and Uber drivers have created GoFundMe accounts asking for money. If you're going to drive, or if you're driving already for Uber and Lyft, it's a business. It's not a hobby. Even if you only do it 3 or 4 days a week, even if you do it 1 day a week, just do it on the weekends, it is still a business. You are making income. So you have to treat it like a business. Say, for example, if you needed to rent out an office and I said, yeah, sure, it's 50 bucks, give it to me. No, you're going to read your agreement. You're going to go over that agreement, make sure it works for you and there's no loopholes. Now, I'm not saying that you have to get a lawyer to see what you're agreeing to with driving for Uber and Lyft. Most of it is pretty clear. It's pretty out there. Or if you just go do some research, you will see that Uber has a $1,000 deductible and Lyft has a $2,500 deductible. And that is what is starting to annoy me, is I'm seeing so many GoFundMe accounts where I got in an accident and I can't believe Uber wants $1,000. Help me. I got in an accident. I can't believe Lyft wants $2,500. Help me. You agreed to it. And I've seen this happen so many times where people that have been driving for a long time will tell you, hey, get commercial insurance or at least get rideshare insurance, because your insurance company will say, sorry, you're driving commercial, we're not covering you. If you don't believe that, then at the very least, contact your insurance company. Hi, I'm thinking about driving for Uber or Lyft. Will my insurance cover me? And just don't take it if they're going to say yes, because insurance agents, they'll say yes to anything because they want to keep you. You need to verify it on your policy. Most policies will say they do not cover commercial use of a vehicle. So set aside your money or get a good insurance policy. I'm just getting tired of, I saw there was one guy who drove a BMW 7 Series asking for money. Another person driving a Dodge Charger with 18-inch rims asking for money. And I don't understand is, okay, say if I hit a big pothole right now and it bends my rims, I'm going to contact my insurance company and I'll have to pay what my deductible is. So basically, when you are driving for Uber or Lyft, it's the same thing. If you get in an accident, you need to get in touch with your insurance company and you need to know what your deductible is. So that is why I recommend get rideshare or just go ahead and get full commercial insurance. But I just see so many people out here asking other drivers, help me, I got in an accident. You know, a lot of these Uber and Lyft drivers, just think about it. You're asking for money from somebody that's probably making more or less than you are. They're in the same situation. So hopefully they are smart enough that they got their insurance. So anyway, guys, I just had to get that off my chest because I'm just getting so tired of all these GoFundMe accounts. And if you want to look for yourself, just right now, go to GoFundMe, type in Lyft, and type in Uber, and see how many GoFundMe accounts will come up. It's insane. So once again, guys, if you're doing this as a job, treat it like a job. You have to plan. And the big catch-22 with doing rideshare as a job, okay, you need your car to make money. Well, when your car breaks down, which it is going to do, you can't use your car to make money. So set aside a little bit every week or something. I mean, you have to plan. Your car is going to break down, or you are going to get in an accident, and you're going to have a period of time that you will not be able to drive. What would you do if that was another job? You can't just say, hey boss, my car is broke down, I'm not coming in for a month. You make plans. You plan, okay, I can either get a ride with somebody else, I can catch an Uber or whatever, get to work. So you have to have a plan when your car breaks down, which it will. What are you going to do? Do you have enough money set aside to cover you? I know Uber has some kind of, I don't know what their insurance is, where if you are out of commission for a while, then you can get paid. I don't know how all that works. I don't use that stuff personally, because I don't need it, because this is part-time for me. And I also have a plan that if my car breaks down, I'm not dependent on Uber and Lyft as my only source of income. I made a video a while ago. I'll post a link to it. It'll either be up there or to be at the end of the video, of when you're doing this stuff, don't put all your eggs in one basket. I'll see people also posting GoFundMes for, I was driving with Lyft for 5 years and out of the blue they deactivated me. Yeah. These companies don't care about you, so get that in your head. Uber, Lyft, any of these gig economy companies, they don't care about you. You are replaceable. So don't depend on it. If you do depend on it, it's your only source of income. What's the word I'm looking for? Diversify. Sorry guys, that's it. I just wanted to get that off my chest because I'm so tired of people asking other drivers for money because of their poor management skills. It's your business, people. Treat it like your business. You have to plan. So I'm just going to sum this up. Something happens with Uber, you have $1,000 deductible. That comes out of your pocket. If you can't pay it, then that's even longer you're going to be unable to drive. Lyft, $2,500 deductible. If you don't have it, that's even longer than you're going to be able, that was some horrible leagues. That's even longer that you won't be able to drive. So if you decide not to get commercial or rideshare insurance and simply go on that Lyft and Uber policies, if you get an accident, good luck if you have to contact your insurance company. If you want to go through Lyft or Uber's insurance, then you better have that money ready to go. So guys, be smart. Treat it like a business, and please don't be one of those people when you get in an accident, you're on GoFundMe asking for money. And just so many things on GoFundMe are scams that I refuse to donate to a GoFundMe unless it is someone I personally know. Because I've seen some where people's like, I need $1,000 to cover my deductible, and next thing you know, you see they made $2,000 or $3,000. What happened to the rest of that money? Hey, that means somebody took money, hard-earned money out of their pocket and just gave it away. That's great. If you can do that, then do it for a charity. But okay, I'm off on a tangent. This is supposed to be a quick little video. Sorry to make it so long. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Be smart. Plan ahead.